and welcome to my channel. I'm here with a new tutorial for you all today. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how I got my twist out done. I'm going to be using some glue magic. Yes, some good old... Don't speak, okay?
You said glue magic.
Okay, so what?
There's no glue magic in here.
Chloe is the name of a product, okay?
No, it isn't. It means that I won. That you go up with your bubble.
It has nothing to do with any want, okay?
Yes, it do.
Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm here with a new video for you all today. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how I got my twist out done. I'm using some good old Indian hemp glue magic. And yeah, let's jump straight into the video so I can show you the process of how we got to this gorgeousness.
Now what?
Hey guys, so we're gonna get started now. And I've already washed my hair. My hair is freshly washed. I haven't put anything inside of it. I just did like shampoo and conditioner. I didn't deep condition or anything like that. Hello. One of the princesses just walked in. You want to say hi? Oh, you look nice.
Thank you.
I think she was playing like dress up with her sisters. And you can, yeah, I think definitely looks. Who did your hair?
Adidas.
Oh, your big sister did your hair, and you've got on lip balm. And
Yeah,
everything.
I know a lip gloss.
Lip gloss. Okay, sorry, it's lip gloss. Okay, so can mommy do her video? Okay, you go ahead. So today I'm going to be doing some twists to prep my hair for twist out tomorrow, cause yeah, that's what I feel like doing. And for this twist out, all I'm going to be applying is two products. I've got some, like a little sample bottle here of the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in reparative conditioner and some good old Blue Magic. I decided to use these because recently, as my hair has grown longer and I've been experimenting more with it, I've been trying like a lot of creams, custard, all these things, and nothing works like the good old stuff. So we're gonna go back to the good old stuff and just use that. That way I don't gotta worry about if it's gonna be flaky, if it's gonna be this, if it's gonna be dry, if it's gonna... Yeah, that's a struggle that I've found with many of the products that I have tried, is that, yeah, they flake, they this, they that, or sometimes they come out and then your hair is all crunchy and you can't even like try to style it up. So yeah, I am gonna get started. I've got some water here because, as I said, I washed my hair and I just put on the towel. I didn't do anything with it, so it's pretty damp, which is good because that would give me a little bit of stretch with the twist. They won't be as shrunken up, and I don't mind to get some, you know, length with it, so that as the days go on, when I have the twist out, I will have some length, you know, and that will allow me to do some styles with it because I love to like do different things with my hair. So enough talking, let's get started. First, I'm just gonna part my hair very roughly with my fingers. So I've got some water in here. My hair started to dry pretty quickly, so just saturating it a bit. Now I'm going to grab the little pouch with the leave-in, just apply it, a generous amount. Okay, and I'm just going to part with my fingers. I won't use a comb, it's not as serious. Parting doesn't need to, you know, be perfect or anything like that. Think about this size is good for me. Just finger detangle. Gonna use my tangle teaser just to make sure there are no hidden knots. Now I'm gonna grab the magic. And if you don't like using grease, you're against grease, you know, you want that movement, then use whatever works for you. Just gonna apply it. So that's all in, we begin to twist. And as I'm twisting, I'm actually like spiraling my hair around as well. So this is the first one. And we're just gonna keep it moving. My grease. And what I like about using this is that it keeps your hair very moisturized and shiny for days. Okay, that's that one. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is to finish like the back section here and then come back when I'm closer to the front, because that way you'll be able to see much better anyways. So yeah, I'll do that and I'll be back.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flirty. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again.
So guys, this is the finished look. I could easily like try to fluff it out more and all that jazz, but for now I think this is good. As you see, I added a little bit of color with the hair paint, wax thing by Mofang or Mojang, whatever they're called. But yeah, this is it. For now, I think it's pretty good. Over the next few days, as it starts to, you know, get older, it would get bigger and it will look more, well, it may look less defined, but who knows. With the grease, I find that you get a lot of definition. You still get great hold and shine, as you can see. Let me come in so you can see. And I just love how the results turned out. I just swooped this side and put a little clip here just to give the side of my face a little framing. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again very soon. Bye now.